To create texture using an extended single crochet stitch, I have a great tutorial for you. You're going to begin your row with a chain 3. You're going to skip your first stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to work an extended single crochet. To do that, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one loop on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops on hook. You just completed an extended single crochet. To create the texture, you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then work an extended single crochet in the next stitch. You're going to continue to repeat this across the row. Chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and then work an extended single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and extended single crochet. Work this all the way across your row, ending on an extended single crochet. At the end of the row, chain 3 and turn your work. The chain 3 is going to count as an extended single crochet in a chain 1. You're going to skip your first extended single crochet and the chain 1 and work an extended single crochet in top of the extended single crochet from the prior row. This is easy to identify because it's just the space between the stitch and this loose fiber right here. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to complete your extended. Continue to repeat this across the row. Chain 1, skip the chain space, and work an extended single crochet in top of the extended single crochet from the prior row. Continue this for as many rows as desired.